What's going on, familia? What's going on? Ready to make some money, familia? Oh, what happened here? My screen just went off. Things are going all over the place. Oh boy. Wait a minute. There you go. Let's do this, familia. Let's do this. I am currently in a sell right now. And I am trying to get things rolling. All right, let me load up my trading view. Oh, trading view, not try to wait. Trading view.com. Let's go, familia. Let's go. We're doing this live. And I'm gonna right away look for entries on NAS. Where is my broker? All right, let's go. I am currently in a sell. I'm selling NAS right now. All right. Let's go. We're looking at the market. It's trying to go back inside that range. And he's not pulling back. He's not pulling down. Our system is saying also to sell. That's why I'm in a sell. Let's see what we're going to be pulling this morning. It's a lot of volume, a lot of volatility happening right now. Let's go. What's up? Good morning, Josh. Good morning, my friend. Currently selling right now. And my screen was literally going crazy. Oh my God, it's deep into a negative. We're going to be closing that trade soon. It should start coming down anytime. Seeking for liquidity, clearing liquidity. The price is too overbought at this point. It should come down anytime. If not, it's just going to continue moving to the upside. My trade, I'll be closing it very soon. Let's see. Not all days are winners. Some days you got to make sure that you cut it short and don't overextend any losses. My stop loss is back into the EQ here. Let's see. Are we going to get stopped out or are we going to survive this push? Buyers are dominating right now, but there will be a retracement. They will not be dominating the entire market. It actually came really low here after that news event and recovered absolutely everything. But again, this point where it is right now, the market, that's Asia highest point right there. As a matter of fact, let me load my stuff. Open anyways. Now we can see a lot more. Oh, there you go. We can see a lot better what's going on. And it's coming down. There you go. That's the push I needed. Let's go. Oh my God. Woo! That was a big push to the downside. That's what I was waiting for. Big money, big money up. Again, I'm gonna just show you guys here where I was. Big money, over $5,000. So we're rating profits. That's the push I was waiting for on the market. Got it in and I'm out. All right, so, okay. Sorry, I am not reading the chat right now. All right, all right, all right. Hold on, let me. Just loading everything up. The market's still pushing up, and all the information that we see here is pretty much. Oh, okay. So I want to see more stuff. This is SP 500 right now. And I'm going to go back into the NAS here because I want to see data. That was a big push I was waiting for. Here it happened. Exactly how I wanted it. And it was predicted exactly the same way I said. It was seeking for the liquidity from Asia. And the price just collapsed. And that's the push I wanted to see. Put me deep in profits. And now I am out of the trade. Our system says to sell for those who are doing a scalping, and we got it right. We got now 1-0 so far this morning. 1-0, 1-0, 1-0, 1-0. So where is my broker? Where is my broker? Right here. I gotta now, oof, made too much money in this, so I'm gonna put it 10. I gotta lose a lot of money. One second. I need to lose some money to bring this account down. Oh boy. Okay, perfect. All right, so we are in good standing, and let's see, let me verify that both accounts are there. Perfect. Now I'm gonna log out and log in into another account. We're gonna be funding a bunch of accounts today. Here we go. I'm logging into my fourth account of the day, and this one is going to get funded too. This one will get funded too. Okay, let's see, 30, 15. All right, so on this one, I need to make $600. Okay. Let's see, familia. Let's see. So what is our system saying right now? The system says, let's see, looking, no good opportunities on NAS right now for this instrument. There's no good opportunities. No good opportunities right now. All right, well, we'll go by it. Artificial intelligence 101. Oh boy. I live in the market. As you guys see, my entire surrounding, it is the market. It's pretty cool. Not seeing anything right now either. But it's saying for NAS that there's no good opportunities. That's artificial intelligence for us. looking at the market live and saying, hey, take it easy. No good opportunities right now. No good opportunities. Skipping shorts, skip. Okay. So it says skipping shorts to keep the rate high. Okay. Watch the trend up. Skipping short to keep the trend high. Okay. The bias is neutral. Risk. Okay. Got it, Robocop. Got it. Okay, I need to move this here. And I need to look at this. All right, familia. All right. Familia, if you are new to the chat, please remember to hit subscribe. Also, hit that like button. That will help us to grow in the community. I appreciate that. It's moving up. It's moving up. But let's see what is now. Let's see if artificial intelligence says something. I personally believe it has to come lower. It has to come down again. Unless the sentiment pushes to the upside. Talking about a strategies right now, it's doing a correction. A pretty clean zigzag that should behave to the downside. But again, I am not the market maker, so the purpose of the market is completely different to whatever I say. This is probabilities, and all you need to have is a probability. You need to think in probabilities all the time. You need to have a mindset of probabilities. You cannot trade in a way that everything is going to happen the way you say. That's why you got to have stop losses on every trade. That's why you have to protect your capital. And anything you see online, anything you hear, question it. Like, don't think that I am better than you or that I know nothing more than you. I'm literally just an average person who has a lot of knowledge of the market. But anything that anybody says to you out there, question it. Because the more questions you have, the better trader you will be. Question absolutely everything in front of you. Never take a trade only because a person online is telling you to take it. If you're going to take something, question it. And be like, okay, if you're telling me to sell now, why should I be selling? Do you feel comfortable selling the market? If the answer is yes, for you, you do it. At the end of the day, you are on control of whatever you're doing on your trade. But if the answer is no, then you don't do it. Or you just sit and watch. There's nothing wrong with that. Staying cash in a day is normal. For now, I am trading. I'm looking at the market right now, and I am looking at what you guys see on the screen here. I'm going to maximize this. As I said, I believe, and that's my personal opinion, that the market has to come back down, back into these areas here. It's ranging right now. This is the London-New York cross, and this is the highest point, lower point, already grabbed Asian liquidity. Did a little bit of a push down, and I believe it should come down again back into those areas. That's the previous day closing price right there. Volume is getting slow right now, super slow, super slow. Good morning, Andrea. Good morning, Lisa. Good morning, Tony and Josh. Good morning, familia. Let's make this happen, familia. Let's make some money. Remember, there's a huge lag on this. Huge lag on YouTube. So YouTube is not the best platform to take trades live, okay? If you guys want to take trades live with us, come and join our VIP group. Just scan that barcode here. You guys will see it on the screen. And that will take us to our group where you guys can join us and take some trades live. Also signals. We're going to be, by request, we will be doing more scalps intraday than scalps for the groups. That way you guys have enough time to prepare your trades and analyze it the same way as I said. Everything that you see in here online, make sure you question it. Don't take any trades from anyone. Don't take any trades from anyone. Protect your capital at all time and question absolutely everything you see. Because only when you have good questions is when you will learn the most. Okay? Don't try to depend on anybody to take signals or, do any of that stuff. If you're here, it's because you want to learn and be able to achieve your dreams. And one day be like, I don't need Luisito anymore. I don't need, this guru online. I can do my own trades. Have that mindset, all right, familia? But always keep in mind, it's really good to be part of a community, because now the more people have eyes in the market, the better chances you have to win, because good debates come out of, every single setup that you see there. Imagine I give you a setup. Somebody else has a different opinion about it, something that I am not seeing. And the more minds we put into this, the better chances we have to win. I did this. I've been doing trading for 17 years, and I truly hated it, trading on my own. I mean, it was good because I was making money, but it's not good. You isolate yourself from the world. A lot of things are happening around you. I mean, you're just making money. It's boring. So it's really good to be part of a community. All right. So I am inclining to wait for liquidity grab again. So imagine somebody's selling here. Boom. Price is coming down. This is going to be doing a channel going down for sure. That is their confirmation that it's through a channel. When it comes down, they will be moving their stop losses. Okay, that's a second confirmation. A huge fight here. We don't know if the price is going to just continue moving down or it's just going to break this and push up. We don't know. So imagine a ton of investors right now fighting that area. If you're looking at Elliott waves, this could be an Elliott wave. 1, 2. This is a perfect entry for an Elliott wave number 2. But this Elliott wave could be invalidated, pushing the price even higher and breaking it to a 88% around here, and then push the market down. In that case, then yes, you can move or adjust your channels like this, and everything should be good. Right now it's there. But in case it move higher, as long as it doesn't break this point here, you guys should be okay. So a ton of investors around the world are looking at this setup and they're like, wait a minute. Is the market coming up? Is the market going up? That's what they're wondering. That's why they're not jumping into anything. But if it does respect that, point, liquidity is going to be built here. It's going to move here. Let's see. This is a point of entry for any trader right now. Points of entry. Putting your stop losses here. So you will go short like this. Probably like that. Just to make sure that the smart money is not taking you out of the trade, giving a little bit of room. You see how it's like just fighting the area? That will be your trade, familia. And again, this is with enough time. Let me look at AI to see if it is telling us what kind of trade to take. NAS is saying, the AI is saying, no, go. Now something came up. and they're saying to buy. But on a pullback, to buy on a pullback, 919. There you go, familia. It's confirmation of the trend. It's coming down, as I mentioned. But it's saying AI is saying to buy. Is it there? Shoot me, I gotta find out quick. Because that's futures numbers. Yeah, that was the trade. It came to, oh my God, it came exact. Oh no. That was the trade. That was the trade in futures. It came down to the area. My God. It came down to the area. It is right now reacting to it. Okay. All right. So let's see. I am going to sell at that point. I'm going to go short, but it has to go higher in order to get there. So I'm doing both. I'm buying right now, taking the trade from AI, and when it gets there, I'm going to get out and sell. Yep, it's coming. It's coming. Deep in profits, deep in profits. Deep in profit. Let's go. Let's go, AI. Let's go. Let's go. I took it right from AI, and I'm out. I got out right away. I did 1-to-1. I did get out right away. It went right into TP exactly. Oh my God, this is crazy. It went exactly to TP, exactly to the point. 23,937, exactly to that point, and it got out. I got out. That is insane. That is brutal. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. I mean, that is fantastic, but this is amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Pretty good. Pretty good. If it does come higher to my entry, I will sell at the point that I mentioned. I believe this market, it will come down, but inducement of price is telling me that it can come into our area here just to make our life a little bit difficult, because buyers right now are not letting it go easy. I don't know if you guys can see these points here of the market, but I'm going to highlight this point here. This point here. I'm going to change this to color, like, and I'm going to highlight this point here. Basically, this entire line here. Very respected point. At one point, it's going to come back there. Boom. And go back. You see this candle, how it rejected this zone here? That's a pretty good sign. That's a pretty good sign. But it's telling me that, yes, it's going to come at one point back into that and probably even go even lower back into this, which match our another entry there, okay? So I'm going to move this here. Those are 2 points you should be watching at all times in this trade, okay? It's doing fair pricing in another channel in a much lower time frame. This is a channel here. And it's just doing lower lows, lower lows, lower lows until they break this channel. It will break it and potentially go like big push, pushing up. Okay? Probably out of this area here. Probably out of this area. It's gonna come higher. Okay? My goodness. Ay, ay, ay. Let's see if this is gonna find another opportunity. That was a pretty good one. I took it, got out for a scalping. It's still saying to buy the market. Do you know why AI is focusing in that right now? Because we are in an uptrend. But this very small downtrend, it's telling me right now that this can push down just for liquidity purposes and then push back up. Volume is dying. Volume is dying right now. No good. If you look at ES 500 here, if you look at ES 500, I'm going to look into more updated data for ES 500 because that's looking into futures. And oh, here I am. It's saying to buy a 904, which match this point here. AI is telling me exactly that, to buy it back into this area here, into futures. But I am ready to sell when it comes to me. I'm waiting for the price to come to me. All right. I'm ready to pass another 3 accounts on this. I just need, right now, I just need $400. Pass another 3 accounts. Okay, let's see. Okay. Is it coming? Is it going? It's failing. Okay, so 8. Is it coming to us? Is it? I don't like when it's doing this. Because then it will come aggressively just to grab liquidity and then push down. I am going to, it's in the air right now, broke the structure. I'm gonna move my entry back into this, like around this area, okay? I'm pushing my entry a little bit higher. Just be ready for it. Just because it broke the structure and it can potentially come higher, just to grab liquidity from a bunch of retail traders. If we break this area, if it does break this area, I want to be still in the trade, okay? And I want to see if it's gonna come for a retest and go inside. If it doesn't, let's say if it goes, I'm in the trade here. If a trade bounce out of this area and push back up, I want to be out of it quick and change my hat. I'm gonna be buying. And this is what I'm gonna do quickly so you guys understand. I'm gonna measure this here. You see, right, I said it's gonna come to at least 88%. The 88%, which is here, this line here. I'm gonna delete this now. So around here, potentially. Let's see. It is in our entry right now, our previous entry. That's why I moved the price higher. Let's see if it's going to respect that 88% or not. It's going to come to our entry. Slowly. Be careful, familia. This is an engineer move. This is smart money 101 right there. Just be careful. Just be careful. That's what I'm saying. 88%. 88% I am in the trade. Deep in profits. Deep in profits. Let's flip and go. Let's flip and go. I am moving my trade. I'm closing my trade actually. Because we are still on an uptrend. I did an impact trade there. Impact trade. I took an impact trade and got out right away. Didn't hold it for too long. All right. Let's see. I want to just put it here so you guys can see. Took the trade here, boom, got out there. So far, $146. Ready to pass. There's like 3 accounts attached to this. And it is respecting the 88%. It's truly fighting that 88%. But it's more money is in play here. So I got to watch for a liquidity grab. And liquidity grab potentially could be around here. Okay, around here. Okay, all the way there. Liquidity grab could be all the way there and a little bit more, and then price collapsing. It should come down. Plus, this is Asia previous market highest point. And if anybody was opening trades in Asia, this is a mitigated zone right now. So it's confirmed twice, 3 times actually. This would be a very nice sweet trade here because number 3 is my sweet spot always when it comes to liquidity. All right. It is respecting 88% for me. As I said, 88%, it is the spot. And it might just come down for a retest of that break of a structure. Let's see. It's coming down, familia. It is coming down. I didn't take that trade. I'm not in that trade. But it was a very good trade to take. If you guys are in, I hope you guys are making all the money in the world. Making all the money in the world. Let's go. I'm just reading price action to the max to you guys, so you guys understand reading price action. I'm gonna be buying the market now. I'm gonna be buying into the market because of this fair value gap, wrap, break and retest, aiming to that point there. Let's see. I'm switching my hats pretty quick. Price inducement is telling me that it potentially can come back into these areas and fall down hard, chasing this liquidity point here. But I am in a buy. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Push it, baby. He's fighting that 88% hard. He's fighting it. I think sellers will dominate. If it comes back and it doesn't break it, sellers are definitely dominating. Let's see. It's on the extremes right now. If you guys are trying to sell, you guys are in a good spot. I'm just going against the market right now. Obviously with a stop loss. My stop loss is right below this area here. If it comes down and get me out, I'm good. I'm not gonna like cry about it. Let's see. We are here in the business of losing and winning. We cannot pretend that we're going to win every trade. It's impossible. But yeah, it's coming from that 88, which is good. I'm going to be exiting this trade. I'm by the hair. I'm going in profit, in and out, in and out, in and out. I'm literally just losing $4 right now. Now I'm in profits. You know what? I'm going to get out of that trade in profits. I'm going to get out. Scalping is too fast, familia. Like, I'm giving you my game plan for this, but it is really fast. Let's see what AI is saying. AI is telling me that AI is 2-0 right now. AI told me to buy at the very bottom. I bought. Oh, it's telling me there's no good opportunities right now. AI is telling me step out of the trade right now. Don't do anything. And I understand why. The trade was up here. If you guys took it, congratulations. You're making all the money in the world. If you guys didn't take it, don't take any. Don't do anything right now. It's pretty cool how I figured that out and I got out of the trade too. So I got out of the trade because it wasn't in a good spot. Thought it was going to come out of that fair value gap and just explode. It didn't. AI decided to say, no, don't do anything. Don't take it. Just don't take it, Luisito. Don't take it. Don't take it. Don't take it. All right, well. Let's see. All right, all right, all right. Day trading tails. What's up? ¿Qué pasa, Rene in the house? What's up, brother? All right, all right, all right. I'm waiting and waiting and waiting. All right, for those who want to join us, remember to take your phone and just scan that barcode. It's free. It's a free community for everyone. Don't be afraid. Just come and join us, you know, join the party. We got a lot to share and learn. Don't be afraid. We are a pretty cool community. Everybody there is learning and growing. All right. So while we are waiting here, come and join our EW army and let's do this. AI is not telling us anything right now. All right, so yeah, that was a good song, man. I got out of that trade. It doesn't matter. My second trade will be, oh, it's coming to my second trade. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, it's coming. It's coming. Actually, it's doing fair pricing, pushing up now. It might try to do a higher high. Is it going to wipe the liquidity there or not? Let's see. It's fighting it. fighting it. It's chasing for liquidity. Liquidity is sitting around this area. Let's see if it's gonna come kill everyone there and then push down. It's gonna kill everyone there and push down. Boom! It is in my entry point. It is in my entry point right now. It is in my entry point right now. I am in this trade. Let's see. Let's see if it's gonna play out our way. Remember, familia, I close 1-to-1. In this case, I'm gonna close a lot earlier. Okay. We are in profit, and profit, and profit, and profit. Deep in profits. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I am securing some of that money and that little push, because I know it's gonna come back up. I know it's gonna chase that area there. So I'd rather take some money now and potentially get my second entry there. So if, let me see, my trade, it kicked me out. It kicked me out. I made $40 there, $40. So my second trade, I'm gonna wait for the market to actually break this and see the behavior of this area here. That's it. Smart money is in the house right now. Smart money is in the house right now. Smart money is in the house right now. It's crazy because right now the market is pushing higher, and you would think, okay, well, the trade that I'm waiting for, it has to come down, right? But the market is actually pushing up. AI said to us, let's see, there wasn't any good opportunities at the bottom. That's it. Nothing yet. No good opportunities yet. There you go, familia. You see what I'm talking about? That's an engineer move. It's gonna come, grab liquidity, kill everyone in that area, and then do the turn. But as long as there's liquidity there, it's going to be killing everyone. I am not taking the trade yet. If it does break this zone, it's gonna go really hot. It's gonna go really, really hot. So I'm gonna delete this here because I am not taking the trade yet. That's gone already. It kicked me out with $40 profit. Oh boy, let's see. It's probably gonna continue pushing higher. Let's see. This is the point where the market tricks you so much. I'm gonna switch my hat. I'm gonna buy the market on a pullback. This is where the market tricks you so much, because you believe that it might come lower, but it actually has a long way to run to the upside. Look at that. He's pulling down. Wow. It's pulling down, but I am buying right now. I'm going to buy the market. And I'm going to put my stop loss below the fair value gap here. That's where my stop loss is. All right, let's see. Getting me in and out of profit, in and out, in and out. What is this market doing right now? when we believe that he might just come down, and he's not. Okay, based on my risk to reward ratio, I've been in profits, and now I'm breaking even. All right. Let's see. I am deep in profits right now. I bought at the fair value gap at the bottom here. I am right now 1-to-1. I'm gonna close partials there. Just to secure my bag. Let's see what AI is saying right now. AI, use your power to tell me what are we doing here. AI is saying, hey, not good opportunities yet. Nothing. Don't do anything, Luisito. Absolutely nothing. Oh, he found some. He found some. I don't think so. Buy at 920. Oh, buy at the very bottom. Buy at the very bottom. That's what it's saying. It's saying to buy at the very bottom. Is it true? Yeah, I took it. I took what AI says. I took a buy at the bottom. Jesus, deep in profit already. Whoa. Wow. Oh man, I can't wait to put this automation in place. I'm closing that trade too, 1-to-1 again. 3-0 from AI so far. 3-0 from AI, and I got 2-1 from me. I got 2-1 from me. 3-0 from AI, 2-1 from me. I took that stop loss at the bottom, a very short one, only $4 lost. And I took that AI trade right now. I got out of it. I'll show you guys where I'm at right now. 210, 9 trades, 7 wins, and 2 losses. Only $4 loss. This is a very small account. It's a 25K. These are 3 25K accounts. And I'm gonna be passing them to that for sure. All right. The AI, if it's a new A-ball, not really. Artificial intelligence, instruments, and all that stuff, to me, that's just tools. And as I said, if you go to the stock market right now, they are using algos. They are using artificial intelligence to take trades. So if those guys are doing it, why cannot we do that? You know, it's like if you go to war, like the better weapons you have, the better chance that you have to win. This is not about ego. This is about winning. And I'm going to use absolutely everything out there to win. Second opinions, like everything. You know, the best trader is not the one who has the better strategy. It's the one who knows what he's doing. Believe me when I tell you, 95% of the traders out there are not using things that they created on their own. They're using tools or the strategies that somebody else already backtested and is working out for them. So they're just reusing what they learned from another person. Most of them, they don't even know how the market moves. They just follow in a strategy and they make money. Whatever works. But that's how the market is, my friends. And we need to use absolutely everything we can to win. If an indicator works for you, hey, use an indicator. Don't be afraid. If that is giving you money every month, go at 100% at it. Don't be afraid of it. I use everything I can. Mainly, my biggest thing is Elliott Waves because that's my roadmap. But I use everything I can. And I am not afraid of it. And the price is pushing higher, higher and higher and higher and higher. AI says to buy. My goodness. It got me out. I didn't take it. I didn't take the full trade. I got me out with 40 bucks. But it's the more I see that, the more I am convinced that the market at one point is going to keep following more algos than anything. Sorry, familia, my little friends, my piranhas are having a big fight. Call them piranhas because that's what they look like. That's what they look like. Piranhas. They're always fighting. They're always fighting. Awesome. Good stuff. Good stuff. Rene, making some money too. Making some money. Money, 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 money. There's a big lag in the chat. There's a big lag going on. And I know by the time I take a trade, you guys might be going off. So how about this? How about if we go into a private VIP? For those who are already in the VIP, better let's do a call there. That way you guys can take the same trades that I'm taking here. Because I am making a ton of money right now. Is that cool? All right. Let's do that. I'm going to finish this session. For those who want to join us and are watching this or is recorded, you guys can come in at a later time. Just click on that barcode. Boom. Come and join us. And then we'll go from there. Okay, familia? So just give me like 10 minutes while I prepare everything. And let's do a live in our private VIP. All right? All right, familia. Always a pleasure to be here live. And God bless everyone. Take care.
Goodbye.